Hi, I'm Jolene Watson, keynote speaker, team building specialist, and Canada's networking expert. If you're planning an event, I get it, there's a lot on your plate. You're trying to find the right speaker, manage tech, stay on time, and somehow remain calm behind the scenes. That's where I come in. I've spoken at hundreds of events and inspired audiences across North America. My role is to make your job easier. From our first chat through to the event, I'll be with you every step of the way. We'll collaborate to align with your goals and your audience. I tailor my sessions based on psychology-driven research. From personality insights to current industry trends, I bring as much value as possible to your participants. Some of my most popular topics are networking skills, stress management, and emotional regulation. Or we can customize a presentation just for you. Did you know that if you wear glasses, people deem you as 8% more competent? If you wear dark-rimmed glasses, even more so. I choose everything, including my wardrobe, with color psychology in mind. On event day, I arrive early to ensure the tech is working. I even bring my trusty 100-foot HDMI cable, just in case. I'll stick to your agenda, but adapt as needed. Trust me, I'll be on time. You'll get a high-energy delivery that connects with any audience. With over a decade of experience across multiple industries, I bring enthusiasm and insight. I'm also a certified virtual presenter and proud member of CAPS. Post-event, I'll stick around for questions and networking. Obviously, I'm an extrovert. Practical follow-up resources will also be provided. I invest in professional development. You can count on content that's relevant and fresh. I can't wait to connect.